So today our topic is quadratic equation. So we are going to learn three methods. First is factorization method. Next is completing square method like quadratic formula. So today I want to discuss with you quadratic formula. So quadratic formula can be used to solve any quadratic equations. X is equal. Just remember, please copy the first two lines, like first line, this box. X is equal minus b plus or minus, one time plus, one time minus we have to apply. Square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Write the quadratic equation in standard form. Standard form is highest degree to lowest degree. X square bx plus c. And determine the values. What is a value, what is b value, what is c value, just find it. Third method, like third step is substitute the values in the quadratic formula and simplify.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, what are we supposed to do? Because I was disconnected in between.
Okay. Just copy this table and 3 points. I think is it Jill?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please copy this table box. X is equal to this formula and 3 points. Once look here, it is used to solve any kind of quadratic equations. So we know that here, children, this one, only this line, write it at the end. Where a not equal to 0, if a not equal to 0, why they are saying a not equal to 0, Maisha? If a is equal to 0 means what will happen?
Sir, can I?
Okay.
If
Okay.
a is not equal to 0, the next square will be multiplied by 0 and will hence have no value. So it won't even be a quadratic equation.
Very good. If a equal to 0 means that is a linear equation, not quadratic equation. So ax square, a is 0, so x square term is not there. That is linear. How can you apply this formula? That's why condition is. And most important, next class also I will explain on this only more. Nature of the roots. Remember, b square minus 4ac greater than 0. If these two conditions are there, you can do this. Otherwise, you can't continue that formula method. Here, a not equal to 0 as well as b square minus 4ac greater than 0. B square means coefficient of like x value. 4, this is the formula, a value, c value, just substitute. However, we'll do the 1 or 2 sums, you will understand. This is two condition important, a not equal to 0. And it should be more than 0 only, you can continue the solution. Look here. X square plus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Is it in the standard form or not? First you have to check it. What is the standard form? X square.
Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0.
Very good. So a, what is a value? What is the coefficient of x square? 1. So a is equal to 1. Just take it. A is equal to 1. So where there is a bx means coefficient of x is 6. This is important. C value, take it. Yes, children, directly go and substitute minus b. Children, here 6, there is no minus, but you have to give the minus. This is the formula. When you are substituting formula, okay na? Pranavi, clear? Don't think, sir, here 6 is positive, why you are writing minus 6? Don't. This is the formula minus. Clear, Pranavi?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So plus or minus 6 square minus 4ac. 4ac. A value 1, c value 6. So 36. 36 minus 8 4 is 32. 36 minus 32 root 4. Root 4 is nothing but root 2. Sorry, just 2. Root 4 value is 2. Just 2, right? Is it clear, Pranavi?
Yes, sir.
Because we know that root 4 is 2, root 16 is 4, root 25 is 5, root 36 is like that. You have to remember that. We are going to apply more here. Now, here, this value we will divide in 2 parts. Here I give an example. Solution 1 x1, solution 2 means one time plus value, here plus or minus is there na? One time plus value, take it. One time minus value, take it. Between that. Is it clear, Pranavi?
Yes, sir.
Now, so minus 6 plus 2. you will get here minus 4 by 2. Final answer is minus 2. Here minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 by 2 minus.
4.
This is the way you have to solve it. Very simple sum over.
So there's a line under the plus. What does that mean?
Where is that?
Minus b plus over there, sir. in the formula.
Amma, this is indication plus or minus, plus or minus. Okay, one time plus value, one time minus value we have to take.
How do we know where we should take plus or minus?
No, just plus or minus will continue full sum at the end, divided in two parts, because you are writing, because this is quadratic equation, we have two solutions. Better than writing 2 times formula, they will write one time only. One time only, plus is there, minus is there. Final answer, when you have taking one time plus you take it, one time minus you take. Quadratic equation, two solutions are there. This is only today topic, just very simple. Already this is one more example, children. Exercise 4.3. So question number 1 we are not doing because that is a completing sphere. So go to question number 2 directly. Take first sum. 2x square minus 7x plus 3. I did here. Children, look here once. Look here. All of you stop writing and look here. Yes. Thank you. If you on video is better. Yes. So previous I explained you, I substituted directly here. Now coming to the solutions. First, this is the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. There are not. A value take it, b value take it, c value take. Because coefficient of x square is 2. Here b value minus 7 is there. Take it. Minus 7. And c value 3, take it. I'm telling you. So is D is discriminate. We'll discuss in next class. This is more. Just you remember this. Okay. So here b square minus 4ac. So we have to write b square minus 4ac inside this root, square root. Yes. Now instead of this I'm writing only one letter, that is capital D. So b square minus 4ac, here only find it. B value minus 7 square 4ac. So you got. So why I want to tell here 25 is greater than 0 or not, because I told you in starting condition number 2 conditions are there. A not equal to 0, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Yes, Maisha? Yes or no? We discuss or not?
Yes, sir.
So I'm checking that. If this value is less than 0, you can stop here only, because remember linear equation 2 variables, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. That means they are parallel. There is no solution. We'll stop the solution there only. We don't want to apply either substitution, elimination or cross multiply. Yes or no? Like that, we will check it. Is solution is possible or not? Unique solution or infinite many solutions, no solutions. Like that, here also we'll decide b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 or not. If greater than 0, we will proceed. So here, just now, for your understanding, previously one sum, I wrote plus or minus here. Now, one time plus, one time minus. Now clear?
Sir.
However, roots will indicate as in polynomials also I discussed, alpha and beta, names, same names. Now, b value substitute. Already I find d value root 25, I know. D value is 25, just directly substitute. Okay? Copy that. First sum copy, please. Any doubt, ask me now. First copy up to here. This is second sum.
Sir, can you explain it once again?
Very good. Pranavi, instead of substituting formula, first I want to check it. So b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0 or not, I will check it. First, you know that how to take a value, b value, c value. Because polynomials also minus b by a, c by a, that time you know that how to take a value, b value, c value. Now, first check it. Okay. After that, I did this way. If you want to do the previous example I given you, that also you can substitute, no problem.
Okay.
Any method, okay. Here I did separately. You can do one sum and finally you can separate.
Okay, sir.
Carry on. Clear?
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Very easy topic, but you have to understand plus or minus careful. Here 2, in formula this is minus b, but b value also minus. There are 2 minuses, keep it in mind. Here root 25 value is 5. We know that square root of 25 is 5. I know, I think you are here. So here root 25 value, root 25 value is 5, we know that, but root 33, it's not a perfect square. So leave like that only, no problem. That is the final answer. One time,
Can I say the answer for the third one?
1 second, Josna, please. Good. Second sum done, all of you? You got same answer?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. So I'll change now the third slide. Yes, Josna. Yes, tell me third answer.
Sir, 4, 8.
4, 8. 1 second. All of you, I think the roots are there now. Maybe you will do mistake here. B square. B square here. The root 4 square as well as root 3 square. 4 square is, this value is 16 into 3. Because 3 root square is square root cancel 3. You will get 48. You got Josna 48?
Sir, I didn't take the root 3. I only took 4.
Oh, sorry, Amma. Please do again.
Nice.
Dishtara, you got answer?
No, sir, I'm still doing it.
Good, good, carry on. Maisha, Farhan.
Sir, still doing.
Now, is it clear here? First, is it clear? B square minus 4ac? You got 0. You got 0, no problem. You can continue that. But not less than 0. Okay. Done. You got same answer, minus root 3 by 2. Like minus 3 root by 2, 3 root by 2. I'll tell you one thing. Look here, one small relation is there. Very simple, children. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0 if you got. Whenever you got like that. Roots are equal, you will get it. Here root minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. Maybe 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6 like that you will get. When b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, that time roots are equal. That is next class. However, keep it in mind, just hint. So now here, fourth sum if you do it, so you got minus 31 less than 0. So roots do not exist as these negatives. Stop there. No substitution, no solution. Now I'll go to the remaining word problems. Clear? Shall I change?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now next question, children, from your NCERT textbook. Look here. The given x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. X minus 1 by x is equal to 3. If you cross multiply x into x square, you have to do like this. Generally, x into x square, if you take LCM as a x, by x is equal to 3, you will get. So after that, 3 also cross multiply, it will come like this. X square minus 1 is equal to 3x. Farhan, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, so plus 3x, because we have tried in standard form. Standard form means descending order of degrees, all in one side, like x square plus 3x transpose this side, minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Now a value is nothing is there, 1. B value minus 3. C value minus 1. Just substitute, you will get answer. Over.
Sir, my call got disconnected and I could not catch up. So can you explain the sum again?
Okay, good. Nida.
Yes, sir.
Yes, for you again I'll explain you. So x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, they given question number 1. So first I will convert the given number, like given equation, into quadratic equation. So I will take LCM as a x. LCM as a x here, because denominator is x, here denominator is nothing. So
Okay.
LCM is x. So x into x, x square. So here minus 1, this is numerator minus 1. So LHS side, this is LCM is equal to 3 is there. After that, I will do this side denominator, if you multiply, it's coming product. So is a 3x. So right after that, in standard form, x square plus 3x is transport this side, minus 3x, like, and minus 1. Because root 13 is not a perfect square, children, keep it in mind. So you have to leave like that only. Look here, children. This is little bit lengthy sum. Just stop writing. I'll try to explain to understand. Please listen. Shamak?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, listen carefully. So 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. So how you got? I think somebody will get this like doubt. I'll explain you in 1 minute. First, take LCM. Here, what is the denominator here? X minus 7. So just cross multiply, like cross multiply. X minus 7 will go here. X plus 4 will go here. That means x minus 7. Okay, children. Now this side denominator, like cross multiplication only. X plus 4 will go this side. Already here minus is there. X plus 4 will go this side. X plus 4. Right. Denominator is LCM is x minus 7. X minus 7 into x plus 4. This is the first step. Is equal to 11 by 30 is same. This is the first step. I hope is clear to all. Yes, Maisha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, first children. Take
Yes,
this.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, here on the other side, 1 by 30 is there. So can't the denominator be 30?
Sorry.
Yes,
Again,
ma'am.
repeat the question.
Sir, 11 by 30, right, sir? So can't the denominator be 30?
No. Just you have to cross multiply. I'll explain you. Children, first copy this sum. First copy this line. Only this step. LCM of, take LCM, right? You are saying, Joseph, this value is 30. After that, children, write this line only. Multiply with both sides, this one, or you can write. Otherwise, the total value multiply to this side. X minus 7, x plus 4, if you write that side, you'll get the same line, same step. This side denominator, that side multiplication. I explained you now 2 steps. This is step 1, after this is step 2. Here, children, x minus 7 is same. Minus into x, minus x. Minus into plus, however, minus 4. So x minus 7, x minus 4. So this is like this. After here also just product. X into x, x square, 4 into x, 4x. As well as x into 7, minus 7x, 4 into 7, 28. You know that how to product binomials. Pranavi, up to clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, here children, plus x, minus x cancel. So, minus 7, minus 4 is minus 11 or 11. After that, this side also, 4x minus 7x equal to 3x. Sophia, is it clear up to?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yes. Now, here children, here denominator 30 is there. So if denominator 30, if you cross like product that side, so it will become a numerator as well as product. Denominator become numerator as well as product. So minus 11 into 30. Okay. So here same. Here nothing change like. After that, so you can, children, look here, you can cancel. However, 11 is there, this side product is there, this side product is there, you can cancel directly. Okay, cancel. So you got x square minus 3x minus 28. This is that. Minus 30, because here minus is there. So minus 30 is there. If you take minus 30 to that LHS side, so minus 28 is there already. So if minus 30 will come this side, plus 30. So answer is plus 2. So now quadratic equation is clear to you all. What is the answer?
I got 2 and 1.
Very good. Please read. Sidra, please read this question.
Yes, sir. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 5.
Yes.
Find his present age.
Yes, children. The sum of children, the sum of the reciprocals, this is important. Reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago. 3 years ago means subtraction. For example, present age is x. 3 years ago means x minus 3. 5 years from now, 5 years from now, 5 years from now, addition. Okay, now they said sum. Sum means addition, that is plus. Reciprocals, that's why 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to that now 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Is it clear, Sidra? Yes.
Sir, I guess I didn't understand how we got 1 by 3. The first step.
1 by 3, very good. Here 1 by x minus 3. So present age is x. They are saying that 3 years ago, present age x, 3 years ago means you have to reduce 3 years. That's a x minus 3. After that, they only given the question is reciprocal means convert as a fraction like. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is reciprocal because x minus 3, nothing is there 1. Reciprocal means 1 by x minus 3.
Yes, sir.
Here also x plus 5. Here nothing is the denominator is 1. If you reciprocal 1 by x plus 5.
Okay, sir. I got it.
This after you get same like previous sum cross multiplication, you have to make it one standard form. You have to solve that. So now onwards factorization method, formula method, your wish children, there is no objection.